Can I rebuild a go-kart with only $214? Honestly, the answer is probably no, but you know what? I'm gonna try anyways. Alright, let's see what happens. So, I'm looking on Amazon for a 200cc go-kart motor, and sorry about my spelling. Let's see if we can find one. I was looking for a while, but I came across this one, and I really like it. I like how it's completely black and not just red. And plus it's 7.5 horsepower, so I think I'm gonna get this one. And guys, please like and subscribe, because I'm not even joking. I'm literally using all of my money that I have for this. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Alright, next thing we need is exhaust. So I was looking online, and I found this one. So I just kind of like the color, and it's straight pipe. So yeah, I think that's the one. Alright, let's order it. Alright, the next thing we need is a battery. And I don't know which one, I don't know what the heck all these options are. I'm just gonna go with this one though, because this is mainly just to like this isn't for the motor or anything. This is just mainly to power like lights, if I wanted lights, or like if I wanted like a charging port, or like whatever electrical thing in there. That's what I need this for. So yeah, I guess let's buy it. And you know what? I'm gonna get some of these on-off switches too. And I almost forgot about a chain. I'm almost out of money. I got like $2. Oh yeah, and I also got this. And now we're a couple dollars in the hole. And now we are literally -$8 in the hole. This is just great. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the build video.
It's all gonna be good. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, nothing now. It's all good.